explorers, and welcome to our Mozambique road trip series.
Yes, this is going to be a multiple video series, so if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. If you like our content, hit the like button.
So, for those of you who know Yuan, know that his absolute dream destination is Thailand. But as we have another trip planned for the end of the year, we couldn't do 2 international trips. So that's why we settled for his second amazing destination where he wants to retire one day. So let's ask Yuan, what did he plan for this whole trip?
Yes guys, so the plan for this trip was we started at about 5 in the morning in Pretoria. We left. We drove all the way to Marloth Park with a few stops at some garages in between for breakfast and some snacks. So we got to Marloth Park, we had some unfortunate events happened. We had to quickly book another place to stay at, so thank you to Lakaslav for making that a lot easier to do. So let's show you what the place in Marloth has to offer.
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
No, we are not!
Are we there yet?
No!
So we chose Marloth Park because it's close to the Limpopo border and Komati Poort. So Marloth Park, the house we chose, has 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, air cons and a solar system, which helped a lot during load shedding. Marloth Park is amazing. The animals come and eat out of your hand, but please feed them nice food, like decent food, not bread, but like carrots, apples, veggies, or even animal pellets, which is sold at the shop in Marloth Park. And we rested, had a boma, and crossed the border in a fresh face, excited for the holiday.
Marloth Park is really a unique place to visit. It's mesmerizing how close you can get to the wildlife and they eat out of your hands. Marloth Park is just over 17 square kilometers and most of the accommodation is privately owned. The roads throughout the park is accessible with any normal vehicle. We drove up along the fence separating Marloth Park and the Kruger National Park, where many animals can be spotted and a few viewpoints to stop at. Further along on the other side of the park, we stopped at amazing Kruger View restaurant for a sundowner before we headed back to our accommodation to start the fire. This is so cool! We woke up very early the next morning to travel the 32 kilometers to cross the border into Mozambique. After weaving through the long line of trucks, we arrived at the Lumbomba border at sunrise. Always remember, it's not advisable to drive in Mozambique at night. We know crossing this border can be stressful for a first timer, but we will be doing a video on crossing the border with all the info and documentation needed. If that's a video you would like to see, remember to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Mozambique Adventure, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!